I've been researching a lot of information from forums, repair shops, and real owner reviews to bring you the best info about the most common problems with the GMC Sierra between 2013 and 2019. Whether you own one or are thinking about buying one, this info will save you headaches and help you better understand what to expect from this truck. One of the most reported issues by users involves the braking system, specifically with the brake pedal feeling spongy or less responsive. Some owners on forums like Reddit mention that after some time, they feel the brake pedal goes all the way to the floor, and they have to press harder for the vehicle to stop properly. This can be caused by a leak in the master cylinder or in the hydraulic lines, but sometimes it's due to air trapped in the system. In some cases, mechanics have found that the ABS isn't working correctly, which makes the problem worse. GMC acknowledged this on certain models with a technical service bulletin to inspect and, if necessary, replace ABS system components. The recommended fix is to visit a certified shop for a full brake system inspection, bleed the air out, and replace the master cylinder or electronic modules if needed. One mechanic told me, on these pickups, lack of maintenance or using old brake fluid can cause these issues, so that should always be the first thing to check. Another common problem that often comes up is related to the automatic transmission system, especially on V8 engine models with a 6-speed transmission. Owners on specialized forums like Edmunds have reported the transmission shifting roughly or hesitating to respond, particularly when the truck is cold or stuck in heavy traffic. This can be due to a faulty shift solenoid or software that needs updating. GMC released several technical bulletins over those years to improve transmission programming, and in some cases recommended replacing the solenoid or inspecting the valve body. One user explained, "It felt like the truck hesitated before shifting gears and sometimes jerked. It was annoying until the dealer fixed it." The advice is to get a diagnostic done at an authorized service center, update the transmission software, and if the problem continues, consider repairing or replacing specific parts. Finally, another common issue some owners face is premature wear of the front brakes. Several owners on forums like Copilot Search have pointed out that brake pads and rotors wear out faster than expected, forcing them to replace parts in under 30,000 miles. This can be related to the truck's weight and driving style, but also possible brake system misadjustments or even subpar materials from certain production batches. GMC issued recommendations for regular inspections and in some cases offered free or discounted replacements. An experienced mechanic said, "These pickups are built for heavy-duty work, so it's normal for the brakes to wear more. But you always want to make sure the system is properly calibrated and that the parts are genuine to avoid accelerated wear. The best solution is frequent maintenance, using original pads and rotors, and if you notice noise or vibration, head to the shop immediately to prevent bigger damage."